doesn't mean you can't have a fresh, colorful dish at the table. Howard shows us how to make the best broccoli salad in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen.
Just because we're smack dab in the middle of winter doesn't mean we only have to eat soups and stews. So in order to bring you a taste of summer, I thought it'd be fun if I'd share one of my favorite go with anything salads that always earns rave reviews. So if you're ready, I say we get going. The first thing we want to do is combine some mayo, sour cream, and a bit of sugar. After giving this a quick mix, we set it aside. Next, we cut some broccoli and cauliflower into florets. The key here is to make them all uniform in size. To this, we add some chopped red onion, a bunch of shredded cheddar cheese, and some crumbled bacon. Now, all that's left to do is toss our dressing with this and pop it in the fridge. And whether you serve this with your favorite sandwich or as a side dish with mom's meatloaf, you can't miss. You could even add some raisins or pine nuts if you'd like. To get the recipe for what we call our best broccoli salad, so you can add it to your lineup, simply visit our website. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen with Kelly, where today we found a fresh change of pace way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.
Well, you can find this recipe along with a lot more good food from the Mr. Food Test Kitchen online. Just go to our website at KOAMnewsnow.com.